Hi guys, it's Adam here with Minecraft How To. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a awesome modern house. So what you need to start with is a pillar, chiseled quartz blocks, block of quartz, quartz slab, stone brick slab, stone brick stairs, a stone brick, and that's all for now. And some glowstone, yes. So what you want to do is make this the bottom of their entrance, then build that 3 high, cover it up on the sides, do the same on this side, and then put one on top and then build a roof across. Just like that. And now on either side you build it 2 across there, and then you bring it 9 across, 10 across. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then you bring that all across. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Do that. And next you do just fill this in a diagonal pattern. And then you go to the pillar of quartz block, then you do it upwards, so you place it on the floor beside each pillar. Then go over and check if you made a mistake. And then what you want to do is build that up 3, and on that side 3. Put the slabs across. Then you want to get acai wood and build it up 3. Then do that across on each side. Just like that there. Then coming in around this side, just want to fill it up with stone bricks. Then replace the glowstone with iron blocks. Place iron blocks with a lever. Place acai wood with iron trapdoors. Flick the levers. Then here you want to put a cauldron, and then here 2 furnaces, then 2 iron trapdoors. Then here I put a broom stand. And here you put the crafting table. And what else do you put in there? Something that is useful in a kitchen. Yes, an anvil. Right then, coming into the middle, you want to get the stone bricks again. Then make a gap of 2 on both sides there, there and there. Then cover that with stone slabs. Then get an iron fence. Iron bars, sorry. And put them across with 1 space between them, with then stone slabs along them. And coming over here, you just want to make a gap of 2 over that side, and then 2 gap that side. Then getting the stone brick stairs again. You just put it across like that. Then for the windows, you just put that there. And with a gap of 2, you take that out, put it upwards. Right, let me just, I'll put the stone bricks round like that. Then swap in the brewing stand for glass. You go like that. Then with a gap, you then put them there. Then windows there. Then with a gap of 2, then a gap of 2, and a gap of 2 again. No, 1. Yeah, I said 2. Even better. And you fill it in with windows till you end up with like that. So then after that, you just cover it up with your slabs of stone. All the way along. So when you've done that, you just build it up again. Well, I suppose you could just use normal stone bricks for this part. I decided not to though. Then with your stone slabs again, you just build it off like this until you get a complete roof. background into the kitchen. Just fill in that. And for some extra lighting, you dig a line all the way just back here and fill it with glowstone.